Yes, this is Jack at Cowtown. We just received a nice little trade-in here, 2001 Featherlite 4-horse. It's got the heavier 14-ply tires on it. It's got a big hay pod up on top where you can store a lot of hay and equipment and stuff there and keep it dry. Come around to the back side here. You'll have a ramp on the back to make it a lot easier to load. Inside you'll have your 3 partitions here, your mangers area on the side, 4 saddle racks here. You'll have bridle hooks on your door, brush tray here. Come around and then you'll have your manger doors opening here. Then you've got a nice big long awning that goes down the side there to come out for some shade. Walk on around, come into the living quarters area here. You've got your shower there, you've got a sink, then you have a little refrigerator up above there for storage. Then you got a little bench across here that could be used as a bed. Step on it, and then you've got some storage up in the bed area there in front on it. Electric plug-in to there, light switches here, your thermostat for your heat and your air. A little more storage over here where you can plug in and put a TV if you'd like to have one. Come back around. Get you a full view here. If you have any more questions, give us a call at 573-885-6300. Thank you.